try to take advantage of the much smaller Clarito. Gets his own miss. Last finish up. Gotta be very careful here. That's gonna...
TBA Semifinals Best of 7 Game 2. Full highlights. Rain or shine contra San Miguel. Pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss. Magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss. Pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell? San Miguel na may isang panalo na. Sa tingin nyo mga ka-Big Boss, kukunin pa rin ba ng San Miguel ang Game 2? Or hindi napapayag ang rain or shine? Sa tingin nyo mga ka-Big Boss, sino kaya ang mananalo sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat.
Feels it from him. And Santillan with the
Amazing spacing. You cannot sag too much because these guys
open three for Jericho. A little bit too strong. Entron.
good stop and a good rebound as well. Good back. Out of 135 teams within the best of 7. How quick CJ Perez is.
CJ Perez gets his own miss. There's small time.
CJ Perez doing a little playground move there. Giving up.
And a challenge now. Just give me space. Goes to Belga. Belga for three.
Another layup. We shall see. Boom!
CJ Perez. Will get Ross to the corner. Trolliano for three. Yes. No more challenges for the remainder of contest. And as
He's an offensive juggernaut off the bench.
Trolliano almost lost it. It goes to CJ Perez inside. Coaching is not putting any pressure on them whatsoever.
Zero.
His players are playing so loose right now. Kumar, of course,
A lot of Kumar is actually the opposite. He says it's his teammates that give him the
entire conference. This guy has had a lot of playing time. Side. Tato signs have the move. Finishing to get any space. Tato for three. Yes. Mamuyak, nice handoff. Borboran.
Yeah, they got Santillán on him now. Very under.
On him. Can they get some here? Nice side-stepping move and finds the open. Borboran will want a challenge.
Wow.
Got inside, throws it up and
has to be perfect. Entering the court, goes to George Hill, this squad, keep the ball moving.
he lost the handle. Belga gets away inside. Liano misfires, but again, Mo is there.
Love basket.
Finish it.
Will dictate who will get that big W.
Boy, that side, big goal. Extra pass, Santillan.